Good morning, Tanika. Can you listen to
Oh,
me?
morning. Yes, I couldn't mute myself before. Sorry, unmute myself before.
Okay, right. Are you celebrating Sri Ram Navami?
It's on April 17th.
Tomorrow itself.
Oh, it's day after tomorrow for us. Sir.
Okay, tomorrow in India.
Yes. No, 17th.
Yeah, actually we started image questions yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah. First of all, in any concept, we should have basic idea about about that concept, right? Now, image. Yeah, if you have time, I think you don't have holiday in that
No,
month.
sir.
Oh no. Telugu people may meet in that occasion.
Telugu people, sir. I don't know, sir. The associations might have
Celebrate
programs.
Navami. To celebrate Navami.
Yes. Oh, I think the associations might have programs.
Tana, I think Tana is there.
Yes, something like that. Tana, Nats.
Okay.
And all.
See, what is our basic idea to solve this sum?
Image of 1,2.
Previously, we saw image with respect to a line.
Yes.
It is image with respect to a point.
Yes.
Yeah, point can be acted like a mirror.
Yes, sir.
The question is, image of 1,2 with respect to -2, -1, right?
Yes, sir.
It is A1, 2. It is B -2, -1.
Yes, sir.
See, image of A with respect to B is asked.
Yes, sir.
Clearly, it is C. This is asked, right?
Yes.
Image of A with respect to B is asked. Let it be C.
Yes.
Let the coordinates of C be H, K. Right? If we see a mirror in front of us, right? It could be our image in that mirror, right?
Yes, sir.
And the mirror should be in the midway. Mirror should be in the midway of to our face and our image of our face. It should be the midway, right?
Yes.
Mirror is exactly midway. The same way, B should be the midpoint.
Yes.
B should be the midpoint of A and C.
Yes, sir.
Use midpoint formula. Simple. Use midpoint formula and find the midpoint of A and C and equate that midpoint to -2, -1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Find midpoint of H, K and 1, 2.
1 plus H by 2.
Very good. H plus 1/2.
equals -2. Okay. K
Yeah, yeah,
like 2.
is equal to -2.
H plus 1 equals -4. H equals -5.
Without doing the remaining calculation, you can choose the correct option.
Yes, sir. It's option 3.
Very good. For confirmation, let us calculate the remaining option also.
K plus 2
K
equals
plus 2 by 2
2 by
is
2
equal to
equals
-1.
-1.
Right. K plus
K
2
is
is equal to -2.
-2. K equals negative.
So option 3 is correct.
Yes.
I got some questions from SAT site also, SAT sites also.
Yes.
These are related to perpendiculars, and image and foot of perpendicular are similar, belong to same category.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see. Ignore this part, ignore this word. Do DPI something.
It's the image down there.
Yeah, just ignore it, right?
Find
The
the
equation of the
line.
line, yes, that is perpendicular to x plus 2 by 3 is equal to y, and passing through
5,6.
Yeah, if you want to do it easily, to save time, just plug in 5,6 in the options.
Yes.
If you are lucky, there could be only one option which satisfies 5,6, because the required line is passing through 5,6.
Yes.
Tell how many lines are there which contains 5,6. That means it passes through 5,6. Option 1. Take option 1.
Yes, sir.
What is option 1?
1 by 2 times 5 plus 16.
1 by 2 times 5
plus 16
is equal to y.
equals 6.
Why means 6. Is it true statement or wrong statement? Let's find its value, and yeah, definitely it is not equal to 6.
Yes, sir.
So option 1 is not correct.
Yes, sir.
Option 2?
10 minus 4 is 6.
Yes, very good. 10 minus 4
Equals
is equal to
6.
6. That means option 2 can be correct, may be correct, but we are not
Yes.
sure. Option 3? Minus 10?
Negative 10.
Yeah, -10, -4, not equal to 6, positive 6.
Yes.
So definitely option 3 is wrong. Option 4, -10 plus 16 is equal to 6.
Oh,
So it
yes, sir.
can be correct.
Yes, sir.
Next, fifth option,
So it's not correct.
surely not correct. Negative. How to choose one from option 2 and option 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Actually, what is the given equation? Given equation is equal to y is equal to half times x plus 3.
Yes, sir.
X coefficient is 1 by 2. So its slope is 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Right? The required line is perpendicular to the given line. Since
Yes,
the
sir.
slope of the given line is 1 by 2, the slope of the required line should be its reciprocal and opposite sign. What is reciprocal of 1 by 2?
-1, -2.
Yes, -2 should be its slope. Now we need to check only option 2 and option 4. We need not check all the 4 options, because option 1 and option 3 have already been eliminated. Option 5 also, right?
Yes.
Take option 2. If in option 2, what is its slope? I told you 2 points. If the equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, if the equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, its slope
Negative
is
a
its
by
slope
b.
m is equal to negative a by b.
Yes, sir.
The equation is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, y is equal to mx plus c, then its slope is equal to m.
Yes, sir.
It is its slope.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, if we take option 2, what is its slope?
Negative 2 over negative 4.
No,
2 over
See,
1 over 2.
it is already in the form of y is equal to
Oh,
x minus
sorry.
4.
Negative 2, sir.
No, why negative 2? See,
Sir.
it is in the form of y is equal to mx
Oh,
plus
sorry.
3.
2, sir.
Just 2,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
But as we calculated previously, the slope of the required line must be negative 2,
Yes, sir.
not positive 2.
Yes, sir.
Take option 4. This is option 4. It is already in the form of y is equal to negative 2x plus 16.
Yes.
What is its slope?
Negative 2, sir.
Yes. Is it the required slope? Is it the same as the required slope?
Yes, sir.
That's why, which option is correct?
Option 3, sir.
It is option D. 3, no. Option 4.
Isn't it? Oh, option
1,
small dot. Yes, sir.
2, 3, 4, right? Okay. It is called elimination method or verification method.
Yes.
Elimination method or verification method. Or if we do the same in the straightforward method, slope of the given line is 1 by 2. Slope of the given line is
Right.
if you have time, go through Kindle books.
Yes, sir. And
Kindle SAT books. Of course, you can go through the remaining books also. Slope of the given line. Slope of the given line is, what is the slope of the given line? It is 1
1
over
by 2.
half, right?
Half. Yes.
So slope of the required line. Slope of the required line is tell negative 2.
Yes, sir.
So it is equal to m. The required line passes through the point 5, 6. It is nothing but x1, y1. Now, the required points, the required data to find the required line is ready. M is equal to negative 2 and point is x and y1. Generally, most used formula in straight tens is point slope form. Point slope form. What's the point slope form?
Y minus
Y
y1
minus
equals
y1 is
x
equal to
minus
m times x minus x1, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Plug in the values x1, y1 and m. Y minus, what is it? Y1? 6.
6. Oh, sorry.
Minus y1 is equal to m times negative 2 times
Negative 2 times x minus
x minus
5.
5. Very good. Y minus 6 is equal to negative 2x plus 10. Then y is equal to negative 2x plus 10 plus 6. So y is equal to negative 2x plus 16.
Yes, sir.
Option?
Option 4, sir.
Right. So it is better to learn to analyze the given sum in as many ways as possible. Multi-dimensional thinking about that,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, if I talk about IIT mathematics, that means IIT entrance, the legendary in IIT entrance subject and also IIT is KD Joshi. That person is a retired professor from Mumbai IIT. He wrote a book. Actually, he was a paper setter for IIT for 3 years.
Yes, sir.
So he wrote a book regarding for IIT aspirants, Educated JEE. He also solving papers, giving solutions for each IIT exam.
Yes, sir.
Believe or not, if some teacher is asked to write the solutions of this paper, I8 paper contains mostly 10 or 20 questions only, 20 or mostly 30 questions, right? Not more than 30 questions.
Yes.
To write the solutions for 30 questions, any teacher can take 5 or 6 pages, mostly 3 or 4 pages or 5 or 6 pages, at most 10 pages to write the
Yes.
solutions of those 30 questions. But
Yes, sir.
believe or not, that Guru KD Joshi
Yes.
takes nearly 200 pages to solve, to write the solutions of that question paper, that questions. 200 pages.
What?
Yes, he analyzes each question in multi-dimensional ways. This problem can be solved by using algebra in this way. The same problem can be solved by using trigonometry concept in this way. This same problem can be solved by using and some coordinate geometry and something calculus, something like that. His analytical approach is very great. Yeah, I have that digital copy also. To improve, to strengthen our math skills, you must read it. I'll send the digital copy of that book. I have. Okay.
Yes.
It is especially for IIT aspirants, but that book has no publicity. That's why very few know about that book. Really, you will appreciate. I will send that book today itself, digital copy.
Yes.
Line P is given by the equation y is equal to negative x plus 1. Which of the following equations describes a line that I have contact? I have contacts with him, WhatsApp contact and something like that. Generally, especially a few years back, I asked him for the suggestion. Please advise me some reference books to teach my students who are appearing for IIT. His wise answer is, it's not in the books to get knowledge of mathematics, but make the students to solve sums on their own as much as possible.
Yes.
Student must do as many problems as possible on their own. It is the main key. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
if you teach every sum to the students, he gets nothing. So
Yes, sir.
ask him. That means indirectly he told that let the students try every sum on his own. Even if while you are explaining any sum, let him think on his own. Give the student chance to think about it.
Yes.
And he concluded that anyhow, I like the way in SL books. He prefers
Yes.
SL books.
Yes.
SL worldwide famous author. SL. Yeah, I suggest you that book also. SL wrote books. SL books are available for the chapters trigonometry and geometry also. You must read. You must get that book. SL geometry. I also sent you the link also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Yeah, mathematics is knowledge. Subject is ocean.
Yes, sir.
There are many concepts, and it has depths also. Yes,
Yes.
right. If you have full grip over the subject, we can think or we can analyze the given question in as many ways as possible, in as many dimensions as possible. Okay, like we did in the previous sum. We did the previous sum in elimination method and also straightforward method. Okay, if we come to this question, let P is given by the equation y is equal to negative x plus 4. Which of the following equations describes a line that is perpendicular to P? So in this way, the given equation is y is equal to negative x plus 4, right? What is the slope of the given line?
For -1, sir.
Negative 1. Negative 1 is the slope of the given line. From this, slope of the required line must be, it is a perpendicular slope. What is its perpendicular slope? Reciprocal and opposite side.
Yes, sir. 1.
Yeah, 1 only. Opposite side, if you take 1 only, right? So the required line, slope of the required line should be positive 1. Choose the correct option. I told you 2 points. If the equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, if the equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, its slope m is equal to negative a by b. Equation can be in two ways, in two formats. One format is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The next format is y is equal to mx plus c.
Yes.
If the equation is in this format, its slope is m only. X coefficient is its slope only, right? See, if you take the first option, is it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 or y equal to mx plus c?
Y equals mx plus c.
No. The given equation is this. The first option is this: x plus y equal to
Oh,
negative.
ax plus by plus.
Yeah. Then its slope m is equal.
Negative a by b.
That means negative 1 by 1. That is negative 1.
Yes.
Is it the required slope? No.
No.
The required slope is 1 only.
Yes.
Option 1 is wrong. Take
Yes,
off.
sir.
Which format is this? In the first format or second format?
Second format, sir.
Second format. In second format, what is its slope?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. The required slope must be. This is the required slope, right?
1, sir. Yes, sir.
The required slope is positive.
1.
So, but this slope is negative 1.
Yes, sir.
Can it be right or surely wrong?
It's wrong.
Right. What about minus 4? You may think that what is the slope of this line? I have
0.
given you 2 examples, 2 formats. One format is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Another format is y is equal to mx plus c. But in the third option, it seems to be neither of the options, neither of the formats, right?
The slope is 0. No, sir. It's a horizontal line.
Yes.
The graph.
Yes, you are right. If you draw that line on graph, negative 4, y is equal to negative 4. I told you about such lines. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So this is the line. Horizontal line, right? In this case, it is parallel to x-axis. Whenever a line is parallel to x-axis, its slope is 0 only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there is another way. To think about the slope of a line. This line is, what's the angle made by this line with x-axis? Is it meeting? No. This line is not meeting x-axis at all, not at all, at anywhere.
Oh, yes, sir.
That's why there is no question of angle between x-axis and this line.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why 0 degrees is the angle made by this line with x-axis.
Yes, sir.
Another formula to find the slope is finding its tangent. Tan 0.
Yes.
Tan 0 is equal
0, sir.
0 only. That's why its slope is 0. And there is another way to say its slope is 0. That is, this can be written in this way: 0 times x plus 1 time y plus 4 is equal to 0. Agree?
Yes, sir.
The same can be expressed in the first format. That is 0 times x plus 1 times y plus 4 is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
If we use the first format, its slope m is equal to negative x coefficient by y coefficient. Negative x coefficient is 0 and y coefficient is 1. Negative 0 by 1 is equal to 0 only. Got it?
Yes.
Right. Or even if we want to, the same equation in the second format also, it's possible. Express the same equation in the second format, that is equal to y is equal to 0 times x negative 4.
Yes, sir.
Please tell what is slope in this format?
0, sir.
Option 0. So see, we have analyzed this option in different ways, right? In all ways, not always, in all ways, its slope is 0 only. But we are searching for the line having slope. We are searching for the line having slope 1.
1, sir.
So option 4 also wrong. Option 3 also wrong. What about option 4? What is the slope?
Option 4, 1, sir.
Slope m is equal to 1. Is it the Required slope?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the required slope is 1 only. So this is correct. There's no doubt. We need not hold it. We not hold our answer because the question itself, the nature of the question is we can understand by studying the question. There should be only one correct option. The previous
Yes.
question point also given, but in this question point is not given.
Yes, sir.
That's why option 4 must be correct answer. For confirmation, we can check option 5. Option 5 is in the first format. So its slope is negative x coefficient by y coefficient, that is equal to -1, which is not equal to the required slope.
Yes, sir.
So option 4 is correct.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell?
Oh, yes, sir. (7/2), sir, slope. So perpendicular should be -2/7. So it's option 2, sir.
Option 2. Very good. That's good. Very simple. Slope of the given line is 15 minus 8 over 4 minus. Have you got grip in finding the slope?
Yes, sir.
When 2 points are given, or inclination is given. Do you know what is inclination?
The line.
Yes, the angle. Simple
The
word,
angle.
inclination is angle, right? We can find slope if 2 points are given, or inclination is given, or equation is given, right?
Yes.
So 7 over 2. It's a perpendicular slope is -2 over 7.
7.
So it is second option. The endpoints of line segment AB are located at okay. What's the location of the line? That is perpendicular. Yes, perpendicular bisector. That means perpendicular bisector has two properties. One property is passing through midpoint, and it should be the perpendicular to the given line. See, if it is A 5 comma -2, and B -3 comma 0. Sorry, -3 comma 10, right? Now this is line. Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means perpendicular bisector. Remember, perpendicular bisector passes through the midpoint. So we need its midpoint. What is its midpoint? See?
-3 plus 5/2. That's
Yes, it is 1 now.
1,
4. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the required line. The required perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector passes through the midpoint and perpendicular to the given line. This is perpendicular to the given line and passes through the midpoint.
Yes.
Right. So we need the slope of the given line. The slope of the given line is 10 plus 2, 12 over -3 -5 -8. Right? Agree? 10 over
Yes.
10 plus 2 by -3 -5 -8. Simplify. Cancel 4. 3 4s are 12. 2 2s are 2 4s are 8. 9 to 3/2. Slope of the given line is equal to -3/2. So what is the slope of the required line?
2 over 3.
2 over 3. The slope of the required line is equal to 2 over 3, and the point is 1 comma 4. If we approach, or if we choose straightforward method, this is slope and this is x1 y1.
So option last one.
You are verifying or calculated?
So option 5 and 4 are wrong.
Very good. Option 5. Yeah, right. Its slope is 3 over 4. So it's
option 2 is wrong, sir.
5 also wrong. 3 over 4. Very good. So
option 2 is also wrong.
Option 2 also wrong. Very good, very good. So
Only two options are left.
can be first option or can be third option, right?
Yes, sir.
Choose one from 1 and third, which satisfies the point 1 comma 4. Plug in 1 comma 4 in first option and third option.
2 minus 12 is minus 10.
Correct only.
Minus 12. So it's option 1, sir.
Option 1.
Yes.
2 minus 12. That is negative 1. Yeah, clearly 1 comma 4 satisfies option 1. Right. If you take option 3, surely it's wrong. We did not verify option 3. Because we have full clarity, full confirmation. Or even if we check it 2 minus 12, negative 10. See, same term, 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y. So clearly its value should be negative 10 instead of negative 20. Right. You are telling you have much grip over this concept.
What line is perpendicular to the line through 2x? So minus 2 by 3. That should be 3 by 2.
What line is perpendicular to? Yes. And I told you one trick also to find the perpendicular line, just interchange the xy coefficients and opposite side,
Yes.
right?
It will be 3x minus 2.
Very good. 3x minus 2y.
3x
Is
minus
equal to
2y.
constant k. Whatever it is.
Is it option 1?
3x. 3x. Okay. What happens when we multiply both sides by negative?
3x minus 2y.
Minus 3x plus 2y.
Yes, sir.
So both formats are correct. If it is in the format of 3x minus 2y or minus 3x plus 2y, both are correct. That means option 4. Yes, option 4. Definitely option 4.
Negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10.
You are
yes,
plugging in. Yeah, you are checking the point. Right. It is negative 12 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to negative. Yes, this is correct answer. Right. Yeah. Your thinking is good to analyze the question. Right. I asked him once. I requested him when I worked for Unacademy. Unacademy is an online platform.
Yes.
Once I asked him, I requested him to use his name to write his name on thumbnail. I asked that, sir, please give me permission to use your name on thumbnail. I would like to write thumbnail as on that particular day, some chapter will be explained the way KD Joshi sir explains. It's my request to that sir. But that sir rejected my request very smoothly and very wisely.
Oh, yes.
And he told, it may not be correct to say like that. The students should realize that you are explaining the way I do. That means it's not correct to say before in advance. I will be explaining the way KD Joshi sir does. But students should realize, should understand, and should come to know that you are explaining in my way. Try to do that. And he suggested one point that you may use the word analytical approach. I will explain so and so topics in analytical approach. And his words and his replies are very wise, because being a wisest person in the field of IIT entrance in India.
Yes.
And he wrote some other books which are reference for scientists all over the world. Her books, apart from this book, he has another book in calculus. I tried to find that book also in Amazon, which costs 25,000 rupees. That book.
Yes.
That is that's our level. That's our range. Yeah, that book is a reference for scientists all over the world. It is a book on mathematics, calculus.
Yes.
In the xy coordinate plane, a line A contains the points 0, 0 and 3, 1. If the line B is perpendicular to A at 3, 1, what is the equation of the line?
Oh, it's
Okay.
1 by.
You can answer this question. The required line is passing through the point 3, 1. Okay.
Y
And
minus 1.
see, it is 0, 0. The line A contains, see, actually lines are denoted by small letters, but here capital A is used to denote line, not to denote points. A is
So
A
is it the last option, sir?
0, 0.
So
And
is the answer last option y equals negative 3x plus 10?
1 by 3. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, very good. That's correct. 3.
Yes.
Negative 9 plus 10, positive 1. Yes.
I
Absolutely
solved
correct.
this. I solved this slope, sir, and then I put it in y minus y1 equals x times x minus x1. Sorry, m times x minus x1, and I got the
Yeah,
answer.
that's good. That's good. Right, right. Very good. Yeah, clearly it's correct answer. And I suggest you one book also, which is available in Kindle, Kindle library. That is Disha
Yes.
Publications. Disha Publications, JEE Main or MSET, something like that, which contains the subject, same subject, which is helpful
Yes.
SAT also, for your board also. It gives much knowledge. You can go through that book and you can solve as many questions as possible from that book. Disha Publications,
Yes, sir.
which is available, which is there already. Recently purchased book. Right.
Yes.
Okay. And if you have time, you may go through the store and suggest the book. Just you can click sample, send a sample copy.
Yes.
Sample copy, that means few pages will be downloaded for us. I may check whether it is worthy or not. If I think it is worthy, it is deserved, I will get the full copy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we did the same sum. We did this sum previously in the first sum in this concept. The reflection
Equals y.
Did we?
6. Yes, sir. We did something.
What is its answer?
8,6.
Very good.
One vertex of square. So I think we did this question, sir.
Really? In yesterday only
Yes.
or previously?
I don't remember, sir. I think previously, sir. 3.
Not yesterday.
Not yesterday, sir.
It's
It's like a.
It's
It's
related.
a.
Can you
and
answer what's correct answer?
Oh, I don't. Is it 5,3 or something? I don't know, sir. I think it's a square and A is the reflection of C, no, sir. Sorry, C is the reflection.
Yeah, image.
Yeah, the image is A to C, no, sir.
A, B, C, D. A is negative 1, 1. The equation of the diagonal BD. Can you tell if it has two diagonals, right? One diagonal is AC, another diagonal is BD.
Yes.
Okay. C. Which diagonal is 3x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0? Is it AC or BD? If it is
So,
AC, it should have satisfied negative 1, 1.
yes, sir.
Is it satisfying negative 1, 1?
Plus 1. Negative 3 plus 1. Negative 2. No, sir.
That's why this is not AC. It should be BD. Right?
Yes, sir.
And A is given and C is asked. C is nothing but the image of minus negative 1, 1 with respect to the line BD.
Yes.
I told you one formula yesterday itself only to find the image. If the coordinates of the C are H, K, if H, K are the coordinates of C, got it?
Yes.
We can find the image by using this formula. It is image formula. Did I tell you image formula and foot of perpendicular formula?
Yes, sir. I think so.
That is h minus x1 over a is equal to k minus y1 over b.
Oh, yes, sir.
Equal
Equals
negative
negative
times of,
2
yeah. If the foot of
1
perpendiculars 2 is not there. A
a
x1 plus
1
b y1 plus c.
by a square plus b square.
That's right. Whenever you get a chance, uh, try to increase subscribers whenever you meet Telugu people there.
Yes.
Yeah, right. You did previously. I got some subscriptions from US in the beginning.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I don't know the reason, but in the field of this social media and that is in YouTube or something like that, subscriptions are views from states has much value.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and also advertisements, ads from ads watched in states.
Yes.
Much when gives many times of revenue. Revenue is many times than compared to India and some other countries.
Yes, sir.
See, what is this is h comma k and this is x1 y1
Yes.
and this is ax plus by. It is a, it is b, it is c, right?
Yes.
Use h minus x1, h plus 1 minus of minus positive. X1 is
Yes.
negative 1, right? By a means
Yes.
3, k minus y1, k minus 1 by b
Okay.
minus 1.
By yes.
2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus c. That means 3 times negative 1. Just plug in in this value in this in the left hand side, right? Plug in
Yes, sir.
1 comma 1 in it. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3.
Negative 3
Positive 1
plus
negative 8 by a square plus b square. It seems to be the perpendicular distance formula.
yes.
Do you remember? It seems to be the perpendicular distance formula. The difference is root. In image formula or perpendicular formula, there shouldn't be root symbol.
Yes.
Simply a square plus b square. A is 3, a square is 9, b square is 1.
Yes.
And clearly, yeah, h plus 1 by 3. K minus 1 by 1 is equal to negative 2 times of negative 3 plus 1.
Negative 2, sir.
Negative 2, negative 8.
Negative 10.
Over.
10.
What happens? 10, 10 cancel. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2.
Yes.
When we equate these 2 points,
H equals
h plus 1 by 3 is equal to
5.
Yeah,
H
very
plus
good.
1.
H is equal to 5. Which option has h value 5? The required point is h comma k.
Option 2, sir.
Option 2 only correct. For confirmation, we can find k also by equating these two values. That
Yes,
are
okay.
k minus 1 by 1 is equal to 2. K minus 1 is equal to 2. K is equal to positive 3.
Yes.
Right. And we can also solve the same sum by finding the slope of the given line. What's the slope of the given line?
Negative, sorry, 3, sir.
Negative 3. Slope of the given line is negative 3. Its perpendicular slope is 1 over 3.
Yes, sir.
By verifying each option, the given point, one point is negative 1 comma 1. Negative
Yes.
1 comma 1. If we take the second option, its slope of a and that means minus 1 comma 1 and 5 comma 3 is tell 3 minus 1 by
Oh,
5 plus 1.
yes, sir.
2 by 6.
2 by 6. 1
By
3.
3. In this verification method also you can find
Yes.
a correct option. But in that verification
Yes.
method, you need to verify each option. If you take the first option,
Yes.
slope of negative 1 comma 1 and negative 5 comma 3 is 3 negative 1, 3 minus 1 by minus 3 minus 3 plus minus 5 plus 1, right? That is 2 over negative 4, which is not equal to 1 by 3. Right? Got it? Got it? Option 1 is wrong. You know the reason? Because the slope of negative 1 comma 1 and negative 5 comma 3 is not equal to 1 by 3. Clear? If negative 2 comma 6 is the image of the point 4 comma 2, with respect to the line L is equal to 0, then L is equal to. And one more thing, if your dad or mother wants to, or yeah, whenever,